Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur's, and today we are doing a January BoxyCharm unboxing. I have not opened it yet. It still has its tape on it. And I don't have... Oh, I do have a pair of scissors. I normally have one of the Zach's knives next to me, but today we have a pair of scissors. I'm trying to cut through it. This does not want to be cut through today. There, we got it. We got it. We did it. Now let's open up the box and see what's inside. So right away we get our little paper that tells us what the items are, how much they cost, and a little description of them. And then underneath this is the items. So let's start pulling things out and seeing what's inside. I'm going to do it from top to bottom on the paper. So give me a second to... Oh, here it is. Okay. That was fast. I was not expecting to find it that fast. Too Faced Cosmetics Diamond Light Highlighter. This one-of-a-kind highlighter is infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for brilliant, fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on planet shimmer. Light up your complexion with pure pink radiance and a silky powder formula by swirling the dual tone opalescent shades together to create an ethereal custom glow all of its own. Each highlighter is created with our own unique marble pouring technique, ensuring no two highlighters will ever look the same, just like the real diamond. $36. How do I open it? I don't want to break it. Oh, there's tape on it. That's why. They never have tape on these things. This one's called Canary Diamond. Oh! Oh, it's like a little jewelry box. It's your time to shine. It's like a little jewelry box. Oh, that's so... And it's even... Look at that. Even has a little button. Wow, I don't think I'm going to ever use this. Not because it's not good, but because of how pretty it is. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my rabbit. He's chewing on his log. But that is like super, super pretty. I'm gonna pull this closer so you guys can see better. I mean, look at that. Look how pretty that is. I don't want to use it. It's just too pretty. It's very... I don't want to use it. I don't want to touch it. Not much of a shine, but it is super, super pretty. It's in like a little jewelry box. And it's just... I'm just gonna keep it. I don't think I'm gonna ever use it. It's just too pretty. When I get things that are pretty, I don't ever use them. Why, Amanda? Why did you do that? Because I don't like ruining pretty things. Is this it? Oh, that looks cool. Okay. This. Ching. That's cool looking. Ace Beauté eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. This is $34.99. Let's take a look. I'm very curious. Gotta be able to open the box first though. Box even has the same thing, so I don't need to keep the box. I can just keep this. Oh, look at that orange. Wow. I might have to... I don't remember green ever being a color in the sky for a sunset or sunrise. Has anyone seen a green? I have never seen a green in the sky. I'm not picking on it. I just have never seen a green in the sky. It's called Cactus. So, I might have to do a look with this. Don't know what kind of look I'll do with it. Maybe a yellow one. I might do a yellow look because there's these three that are like perfect for a yellow look. So I might have to do a yellow one. What do you guys think? I haven't really done a yellow look because I haven't found that many yellows are very well pigmented. So this, and this isn't like a gold. This is like a yellow shimmer. Look at that. That could be a highlighter. Just right there. Might have to do a makeup look with this. Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. Prepare for a perfect getaway with a trip of two. The soft matte blush and bronzer cheek duo blend seamlessly onto the skin to deliver a natural glowing complexion. Add a billable warmth and a flush of color to the skin with long-wearing sun-kissed duo. Made with hydrating blend of mango seed butter and sunflower seed oil to help soothe and brighten. Enriched with lotus flower and sea buckthorn extract to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. $36. Oh, they have tape on these too. Tape and me are not friends. Just to let you guys know. Tape and me are not friends. Okay. And these boxes are not my friend either. It's like leather. It's like pleather. Yeah, it's like a pleather feel to it. There you go. It's a very light bronze. But I will try it out. Give it a test. Yeah, I have to try it out. I don't have any bronzers. I have a lot of contours, but I don't know. Well, maybe I do. Are those bronzers or are those contours? I don't know. Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. This 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more useful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. This is $107. What? I've been getting a lot of these masks lately to put on like in the morning and at night. And they're just getting more and more expensive each time I get them. The last one was like $79. I'm like, damn girl. This one's $107. I might have to start using this right away because this one actually tells you what it helps do. It makes your face look youthful and tightens it and gets rid of fine lines and wrinkles. The other one, that my other sleep mask I got, which is a Dr. Brandt one, just says sleep mask. It doesn't tell you anything else. So, well, this one doesn't really tell you either. It just says on the paper, just to let you guys know. So there's about this amount of product in this container. I can see with the light. So, doable amount of product. Monocadar Beauty Lip Whip. Matte lip color that is whipped into, wow. Matte lip color that is whipped to perfection. Easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. This one's $21. What color is it? Lip Whip Dream. Looks like it's very pink. I have a lot of pinks. Might have to start getting rid of some of my pinks because I just have so many. How do I open this? Oh, it's a twist. Oh, it's a gloss. It smells like plastic. That's its color. It looks like a very pretty color. I've already got lipstick on, so I don't want to put it on my lips because these lipsticks were not cheap. So, yeah, so that's all the products that we got today. I I really like that diamond. It's so nice looking. It's like I don't want to touch it. I just don't want to touch it. So, if you like this video, this unboxing, and you'd like to see more, keep on watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.